Have you ever been asking yourself, how am I going to get Tradingview premium account for free? You've probably wanted to be doing backtesting on your charts, but your account doesn't allow that because it's not an upgraded version, it's not what the premium version. You also want to be setting a different types of alerts on different currency pair, but it's not allowing you do that because you are not upgraded, you are just on the free Tradingview account. Well, this video is actually for you because in this video I'm actually going to show you how you can upgrade your account and get premium Tradingview account for free. All right, so let's just hop into the video. But before we do that, do want to smash that subscription button for me so that this channel will do what we get growing. Also like this video so that YouTube algorithm can be able to do what to share it to other people out there, and also join my Telegram community in the link in the description below. I do a whole lot of account giveaways in this channel and also in the Telegram community. All you have to do is do what? Be part of this channel and be part of my community by subscribing and joining my Telegram community. So let's hop into the video. The first thing you need is obviously what? Your Tradingview account and a PayPal account. So if you do not have a PayPal account, then do well to create one for yourself, and I'm also sure that you have also created your Tradingview account, because that's obviously why you want to do what? To upgrade it. So let's assume like this particular account I'm on now is not an upgraded version, is a free version that I created to do what? To use it for the purpose of this lecture. So let me assume that I want to do what? Want to backtest now. All right, so if you can see, they told me that test your strategy with intraday, upgrade. I can't backtest because of what? I'm not on upgraded version. So first thing you want to do is to do what? Click on this upgrade version now. All right, so if I click on the upgrade version, it's going to take me to the upgrading page. They have a whole lot of accounts. If you want to upgrade, we have the Premier Pro. Oh, basically they actually gave me a kind of promo. All right, this is not the main price for if you want to upgrade. This is actually a promo. It doesn't come all the time. If you are lucky, sometimes it comes, sometimes it doesn't come. All right, but that's not the essence of this video. The essence of this video is for me to teach you how you are actually going to what? Upgrade without even paying any amount at 0 naira. So I think if you open your own, no matter what the price is, all right, since it's actually a trick, we want to go for the higher one. Yeah, we want to actually go for the higher one, which is what? Premium. So what you have to do is to come to your upgrade, click upgrade. Now if you click upgrade, you're actually going to see it. Mine is showing $1 because they actually gave me an offer. All right, on the norms I think their premium should be around $59 or thereabouts. Yeah, so you're going to do again is to do what? Is to click on next. All right, cool. As you can see it from here, yeah, is $59. All right, yeah, it's $59. So all you have to do is to do what? Come to next, click on next. Then if you click on next, then you check these options, then you select PayPal. Like I did tell you, want PayPal, not card payment. You want PayPal, so you select PayPal, then you click on purchase. Yeah, so mine is actually saying payment error decline. That's because I've actually used this particular PayPal. All right, but on a nonce, what it's going to do is to tell you to sign in. All right, so after you're done signing in with your PayPal, then it's going to process the payment and it will be successful, and it will redirect you back to your Tradingview account, and you will see the upgraded version. All right, so what you have to do is to be calculating the date, maybe close to 2 days before the renewal. Then you log into your PayPal account and turn the payment off. That's the first way you can do it. You turn the payment off, or you actually create maybe a new PayPal account, link it with a card payment that has expired. So basically when they want to renew the payment, is not actually going to renew. All right, so that's how you are going to do it. But if you don't like the second step, then you can use the new step. Then the new step, with the old step, which is doing what? Coming back to turn it off. If you do not turn it off, they are going to charge you $59 monthly. So yeah, it's actually something I do use often and on. If you do not understand it, do well to ask me direct question, either on the comment section, or by you joining my Telegram community. You can send me a personal you can send me a personal message on the Telegram, direct message on the Telegram, and I'll be able to respond and put you all through. I use this often and on. I use it most of the times. All right, as you can see, this one actually declined because I'm actually using this particular PayPal payment on another TradingView account that I just upgraded recently. So yeah, that's basically all for this video. If you did well, like it, do it to smash that subscription button and join my Telegram community. That will be all for now.